By 2027, a lot of the work that fills people's days won't be done by people anymore. Not factory jobs, desk jobs. The tools that replace them already exist. Most are cheap, some are free, and almost nobody outside of tech is paying attention. Here are 7 AI tools quietly absorbing entire roles, what each one replaces and what it means for you. Let's get into it. Number 1, voiceover. For decades, if you needed narration, an ad, an audiobook, an explainer, you hired a voice actor. ElevenLabs generates voices nearly indistinguishable from human in any tone, any language, in seconds. A 10-minute script that used to cost a few $100s and a day of studio time now costs cents and takes a minute. Audiobook narration, ad reads, e-learning, even dubbing, all of it is shifting. The voice you're hearing in this video? You tell me. Number 2, the on-camera presenter. HeyGen creates realistic AI avatars that speak any script in dozens of languages, perfectly lip-synced. Companies that used to fly in a spokesperson to film training videos now just type a script and generate it. And it can take one real video of a person and translate it into 30 languages with their own face and voice. Corporate trainers, spokespeople, and localization studios are the first to feel it. Number 3, the junior developer. Cursor is a code editor with AI built into its core. It writes functions, fixes bugs, and refactors entire files from a plain English request. It won't replace a senior engineer who designs systems, but the entry-level work that used to be a junior developer's whole job, the boilerplate, the simple tickets, Cursor does in seconds. That is quietly reshaping how teams hire at the bottom. Number 4, the stock photographer and concept artist. Midjourney generates any image you can describe at near professional quality. Marketing teams that paid for stock libraries or commissioned concept art now generate exactly what they need on demand. It's not perfect, and it's a real fight in the art world. But for commercial work where good enough and instant wins, the budget is already moving. Number 5, the research analyst. Perplexity is a search engine that reads the sources for you and writes a cited summary. The grunt work of junior analysts, gather sources, summarize, cite, collapses into a single query. The judgment of a senior analyst still matters. The hours of legwork underneath it largely don't anymore. Number 6, the video and podcast editor. Descript lets you edit video by editing the transcript. Delete a word, and it's gone from the footage. It strips filler words, awkward pauses, and background noise automatically. The repetitive first-pass editing that 8 hours of an editor's day is now a few clicks. High-end creative editing survives. The cleanup grind does not. Number 7, the sales development rep. Clay automates prospecting. It finds leads, enriches their data, and writes personalized outreach at scale. The cold email and list-building role companies used to hire whole teams for now runs mostly on autopilot. The closers stay. The list builders are getting automated away. Here's the pattern. AI isn't replacing whole careers. It's eating the repetitive bottom layer of each one. The judgment, the taste, the relationships stay human. The grunt work doesn't. So the move isn't to compete with these tools. It's to learn them and become the person who runs 10 of them instead of the person doing the task by hand. Every tool in this video has a link in the description. Pick one, spend a weekend with it, and you'll understand the next 2 years better than most people getting paid to predict them. Subscribe. I break down AI tools and what they actually change every week.